Reed need a treat? Will you go get Reed a treat? Does Reed need a treat? Where is he? Call him. Good job. Can you put him away? Put him away. You're welcome. Nope, they go in this cupboard, remember? Yep. Put him up there. Do you need help? No, he only gets one. Do you need help? There you go. Good job. Good job. No, that was for Reed.